So guys, in this video, I will be giving actually giveaways of my Ember Lily. As you can see there, it is frozen, pollinated, and also what is that? What was that, bro? That's big. Ano yan? Is that melon? I don't know if it's that melon, pero I think it's pumpkin. So let's see if ibibigay niya, guys. Yes, of course, I know it. Ibibigay niya. So as you can see, guys, there it is. I think this is, oh, I'm right. This is pumpkin, guys. Yes. As you can see, this is pumpkin. So now, let's go, guys. I will be giving the Ember Lily in the public servers. As you can see, I have more Ember Lily here. Yes, you can see there is rainbow. That one. As you can see, I have two rainbow Ember Lily and also this one. I will be getting that one. So I will be giving this to a person and public server. As you can see, guys, there it is. And also we will be getting another one here also, guys. So as you can see, I will be collecting some of it. So I will be giving it to the random players in this game in Go Garden. That it is, guys. So here it is, guys. As you can see, meron na po tayong 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So ang ibibigay nyo lang natin sa public service is only 8 pieces of Ember Lily. As you can see, guys, because I will be keeping the bigger ones and I will be giving that in my loyal supporters and loyal commenters and YT. So as you can see, there it is, as we are giving this giveaways, guys. So meron namang madami naman ang tutubo, guys, at magbubunga sa ating Ember Lily tree. So as you can see, we will be going in the public server and Pito 1. Here it is, guys. The game is still loading and joining server and public server. So we will be giving the first Ember Lily and we can get actually the first I will be giving the random players 2 Ember Lily and I hope they will like it. So let's search the Ember Lily, all of it, guys. We will be putting it here. Here it is, guys, our first target of this game. I know meron siyang mushroom saka beanstalk. Tapos ilalike natin itong farm niya and hopefully this guy will accept the Ember Lily. I don't know, maybe this guy is AFK. Yes, I am sure AFK or alt account of the other main account of the players. I don't know, guys, but we will be trying to give the Ember Lily for him. So hopefully he will accept faster. So but if not, guys, we will find another one. So as you can see, merong normal dun na nakuha natin. But it's okay, we will be giving it again. Pero let's try, guys, kung i-accept niya, guys. So okay, no. I can't give. Ayun, gift na natin siya. So as you can see, guys, wait, ilang seconds. So hindi niya talaga in-accept, like walang naglalag or what XP siguro to, guys. So we will be favorite it, tapos bibigyan natin sa ibang player. As you can see, this one, our own target. So we will like their farm. I mean his farm kasi boy siya. So let's see if he will be accepting it. Yes. Also this one too, the girl. That one. So let's see if they will accept the Ember Lily. So I am rejoining, guys, because no one accepted the Ember Lily there because all of them are AFK. I don't know why, but maybe they are all same owner of the game, same owner of the account. So here it is, we will be finding our new first target again kasi hindi naman talaga yung nag-accept guys. And I will like first the garden. So here it is. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang mga design and actually I hope I can get a queen bee or hopefully someone will give me a queen bee. I miss my fox, red fox guys, the one that my pets gets come. So as you can see there it is. As you can see here it is now we are seeing the leaderboard because we will be targeting the another player. So they will be appreciate it. And here it is guys, I will be liking their farm and that one to that guy. I don't know what is the name of this, but this is Alice Ace. That one, this one, I will be giving it to him. Pala, yan. That one, so hopefully he will be good. And what was that? Yes, he sent me a friend request and I will accept it later on at the end of this recording or I don't know, giveaways guys. So as you can see, meron naman tayong next target dito. I know the guy is still, where it is? Nasaan ba yun? Siguro I think, andito siya. No. I don't know. But, here it is. I'm still lagging guys because may bago na naman guy na nag-log in. But, it's okay, we will be giving it to him. So, as you can see, I will be liking his farm. Ay, garden pala. So, as you can see, I will be giving guys. So, hopefully, he will accept it. 3, 2, 1. Maybe. Yes. Or not. And, ano naman siya guys, tawag yan. Nag-left. As you can see, that guy is giving me a lag in this public server. So, that's why I hate joining public server guys kasi nag-lag. And this one, we will be giving it to him. Yes, because it is actually valuable. And we will give again another one. Oh, malaki yung kanyang tawag niyan, kanyang B. So, hopefully, he will accept it. Yes, he accepted it. So, sabi niya, meron siyang sinasabi, I think that's yes, or thank you. So, we will be giving this one to the another player, random player. So guys, here it is, mag-giveaway naman tayo ng tawag nito, Pollinated Frozen Gold Moon Melon. As you can see, we will be giving the random players again and hopefully they will like it guys. And here it is, meron send ng request sa atin and hopefully I will be accepting that at the end of this giveaway. So I will be giving again this one. Hopefully the players will be appreciate my giveaways guys kasi this is the medyo valuable fruits. Where? Sana yun? As I see, there it is. Nasa sale siya. Yes, accept this. Yes, there it is. In-accept me guys. As you can see guys, we will be rejoining. There it is. They are nag-send ng friend request. Yes, we will be accepting that. Hopefully, hindi ko na accidentally remove yung request nila. There it is. We will be joining again another server. Hopefully, guys, we will be giving another one to the player, guys. So, as you can see, there it is. I'm still BM loading, guys, in this game. So, as you can see, there it is, in this game. This is my last fruits. I mean last melon because I will be going offline because I have a personal doing in my personal life. So as you can see guys, I will choose the good one. And there it is. I will be choosing this shack called Moon Melon and I will be giving this to this player. So as you can see, there it is. The name is Yach. Ayun. She accepted it guys. So hopefully guys, nandito ka pa sa dulo ng video nito, and as you can see guys, if gusto mong mabigyan ng fruits, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment of what fruit do you like. I will be given to you. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.